Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate MeisterTask API with OAuth credentials step by step clearly. To authenticate MeisterTask API with OAuth credentials, start by creating an application in the MeisterTask developer portal. Visit the MeisterTask developer portal and log in with your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Applications section. Click on the Create New Application button to initialize the process. Fill out the required fields, such as application name and description. Select the appropriate permissions your application will need. After submitting the form, you will receive your client ID and client secret. Keep this information secure, as you will need it for authentication. Next, identify the authorization endpoint for MeisterTask. The endpoint URL is crucial for initiating the OAuth flow. In your application, create a request to the authorization endpoint. Include your client ID and desired scope in the request. Redirect the user to the authorization URL. Upon completing authorization, the user will be redirected back with an authorization code. Capture this authorization code in your application. Use this authorization code to request an access token. Make a post request to the token endpoint using your client ID, client secret, and the authorization code. Include a grant_type parameter set to authorization_code in your request. If successful, you will receive an access token and a refresh token. Store the access token securely, as it will allow you to access the MeisterTask API. Remember that access tokens may expire, so be prepared to use the refresh token to obtain a new access token when necessary. Use the access token in your API requests by including it in the authorization header. Now, you are ready to make authenticated requests to the MeisterTask API. Test your integration to ensure everything is functioning as expected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.